Okay, once again, welcome back. So, in our last class, up to sixth problem we did, right? Okay, so I think you solved 7, 8, 9, 10. Please observe. Seventh one, you see. In each of the following cases, state whether the function is 1, 1, onto, or bijective. Justify your answer. 1, 1, onto, or bijective. Justify your answer. Seventh one. First one, f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. We should check whether it is 1, 1, onto, or bijective. 1, 1, onto, or bijective. Okay, 1, 1, onto, or bijective. Given function f from R to R defined by, how the function is defined, f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. For 1, 1. For 1, 1. Okay, yeah. For 1, 1, we know working process, right? We have to assume any two elements in domain. Let x1 comma x2. Here what is the domain is R. I told you when the both are same, if you want, you can write in bracket domain. It's clear to mention as you wish. You want to write, otherwise no need to. Such that, how to assume? Such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That means we are going to assume the, for these two elements x1, x2, images are same. Then we are going to observe that whether the elements same or not. Clear? So images are same. f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Now according to define of the function, f of x is how? 3 minus 4x. Then what is the f of x1 here? 3 minus 4x1. 3 minus 4x1. So what is the f of x2 here? 3 minus 4x2. Okay. If it is f of z, 3 minus 4z. f of x1, 3 minus 4x1. f of x2, 3 minus 4x2. Okay. So 3 get cancelled. That implies minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Minus 4 is also cancelled. Therefore, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1, 1. f is 1, 1. Clear? So that means what? We are assuming two different elements. Images are same, then we got what? Corresponding elements are same. So that means function is 1, 1. Function is 1, 1. We did so many problems, right? In first main, second main, same type, working rule. 1, 1 function, different elements having different images is nothing but if images are same, corresponding elements should be same. Images are same, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. We got x1 is equal to x2. Images corresponding elements are same. Okay. Yes. So function is 1, 1. Yeah. Now for onto. Okay. For onto. Okay. Let y belongs to R. For onto what I told you? For every what? Element of the codomain should have the pre-image in domain. That's why that y belongs to R where? In codomain. In codomain. There exist there exists x belongs to R, where it is in domain, such that, how it should be, such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. For every element of the codomain, there exists x is in R, such that f of x is equal to y. So now according to definition of the function, 3 minus 4x is what? Y. So minus 4x is y minus 3. Okay. So x is what now? 3 minus 4 by 5. 3 minus y by 4. Okay. Yeah. Now you see that. From where to where? R to R. Where to where? R to R. Suppose in codomain I took 0. Y is my value is 0. If y is 0, what is the x value? If y is 0, what the x value is? 3 minus 0 by 4 is what? 3 by 4. Is it there in 3 by 4 in domain? Yes, because your domain is what? Set of all real numbers. Set of all real. There it is. Next, if y is 1, what will get? 1, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. X value 1 by 2. Correct or not? If suppose y3 will get x value is what? 0. Okay. 3 minus 3. Y value 3. 3 minus 3. 0. 0 by 4 is what? 0. But mean for 3, what is the pre-image is 0. For 1, what is the pre-image is 1 by 2. For 0, what is the pre-image? 3 by 4 like that. Suppose y is minus 1. If y is minus 1, what is the value of x is? 3 minus of minus 1 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. So x value is what? 1. X value is what? 1. If y is minus 1, x value is what? 1. Next. Suppose if y is root 2, what is the x value is? Y is root 2. What is the x value is? 3 minus root 2 by 4. Is it possible in R? Yes. So 3 minus root 2 by 4. Clear? That means what we are observing, for every real number in the codomain, there exists a pre-image in domain. Correct or not? So that's why it is what? Onto. Then I told you it is belongs to R, which are domain. This you should write, I told you. Okay. Therefore, F is onto. Hence, F is both 1 1 and onto. Hence, F is bijective. Please write that. Hence, F is bijective. Okay. Because it's both 1 1 and onto. Therefore, F is bijective. Clear? Please. This understand the steps already we did. This type also. Okay. This is important step I told you. Okay. So this also observe. For every element in the codomain, there exists a pre-image in domain. You take any real. I took positives, negatives, irrationals. If you want to take 1 by 2 also, what will get? 3 minus 1 by 2, 5 by 4. Will get or not? Yes. So rationals, irrationals, positives, negatives along with 0. For every element of the codomain of the real number system set R, we are having the pre-image in the domain R. Therefore, every element is having the pre-image. So hence it is onto. Therefore, function is both 1 1 and onto. Clear? Okay. Yes. Now see the second one. F from R to R defined by f of x equal to 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. One plus x square. For 1 1. Okay. Let same x1 comma x2 belongs to our domain such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? F of x is 1 plus x square. F of x1 is 1 plus x1 square, 1 plus x2 square. 1 1 get cancelled. x1 square equal to x2 square. Therefore, what happened here? x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. Plus or minus x2. But we should not get like that. x1 is equal to x2 or x1 equal to minus x2. Different values are getting. Therefore, f is not 1 1. You see here. You please observe this one. R to R. For 0, what happened? F of 0. F of 0. 1 plus 0 square, right? 1 plus x square. 1 plus 0 square is what? 1. 1. For 1, what will get? 1 plus 1 square is what? 2. 1 plus 1. 2 or not? For minus 1, what happened? F of 1 is 1 plus 1 square is 2. Okay. What is f of minus 1 is 1 plus minus 1 square. Andre 1 plus 1. How much you will get? 2 only. Correct or not? For 2, 1 plus 2 square. That is nothing but what? 5. For minus 2 also what? 5 only. Okay. That means what we are observing? Two different elements are having same image. Okay. For 3, what will get? 1 plus 3 square. 1 plus 3 square. 1 plus 9 will get 10. For minus 3 also 10 only. Okay. You taken positives and negatives, right? Suppose I took root 2. For root 2, what will get? 1 plus root 2 whole square means 2 plus 1. 3 will get. For minus 2 also 3. Okay. Next. For 1 by 2, what will get? For 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 plus 1 by 4. 5 by 4. F of minus 1 by 2. 1 plus minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 plus 1 by 4 is also what? 5 by 4. Correct or not? 5 by 4. 5 by 4. That means for 1 by 2 and for minus 1 by 2 also what are getting? 5 by 4. That means whatever the elements we are taking here, please observe. 1 minus 1 we are getting different elements, same image 2, and 2 minus 2 5. All different elements are getting same image. 2 or more than 2 elements are getting same image 1. So it is not 1 1. So it is not 1 1. If you want, we write this also here. Okay. If you want, we write this also OR. Okay. Since steps important. Since f of 1 is 1 plus 1 square is 2 and f of minus 1 1 plus minus 1 square is also what? 2, but 1 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, f is not 1 1. You can write this also. You have your wish. F is not 1 1. Okay. Yeah. Now what about onto? What about onto? Is it onto? See here. Positives, negatives, positive we are getting. 2 minus 2 positive we are getting. Even for 0 also what we are getting? Positive only we are getting. Even rationals 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 we are getting positive only. Even for irrationals even negative also we are getting positive. Negatives also we are getting positive. That means always we are getting what? Positive real numbers. Positive real numbers more than 0. Not I am not telling non-negative real number. Positive real numbers, not 0. Without 0. Only positive real numbers. Okay. So that's why this function is what now? It is not onto because the range is what? Positive real numbers, but codomain is what? Real numbers. So real numbers are not equal to positive real number. Codomain is not equal to range set. So that's why it is not onto. So this is what? Neither 1 1 nor onto. Hence it is not bijective. Okay. For on to understand, no? Sorry, for 1 1 you steps understand. So the or else if you don't want this is all, just you write since f of 1 is 2 and f of minus 1 also 2, but 1 is not equal to minus 1, f is not 1. This meaning is what? Two different elements are having same image, so it is not 1 1. So it is not 1 1. Okay. Yeah. Now for on to you see. Yeah, you can write if you want. You keep that one. Okay. For on to since codomain is R, okay, and range is R plus positive real numbers. Therefore, codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is not equal to range. Root 2. That means it is always greater than 0. You can write that also. 1 plus root 2 whole square. 1 by 2 root 2. If you take root 2, how much? 5, right? 1 by 2 will get it. Minus 1 root 2. Okay? Like that. Okay? So instead of like this, you write 1. Yeah. F of x is equal to 1 plus x square. It is always greater than 0. Okay? If you want to write in bracket r plus. Okay. Always positive. This is nothing but always positive, greater than 0. Therefore, f is not onto. Hence, f is not bijective. Hence, f is not bijective. Neither 1 1 nor onto. Neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay? Why I wrote like this? F of x is 1 plus x square is greater than 0 because 1 is positive. Because 1 is positive, right? X square is always positive, huh? Positive or not? So you can say still either it is greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 1. Correct or not? Okay? Greater than or equal to 1 also. It is always positive. more than 1 also, because it's a perfect square. It's a perfect square. 1 is positive, x square is also positive. Summation of positive numbers again a positive only, no? Correct or not? So it is greater than or equal to 1. Okay. We can't write r plus. We don't write r plus because in r plus it is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, na? It is not include 0.5, 0.25 like that. That's why don't write r plus. Okay, in that steps, don't write r plus. In bracket I told no, don't write that r plus. Just you write greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so codomain is not equal to range, then it is not onto. You write like that. Okay, because this is the reason. The number whatever the value of x you take here, it is always greater than or equal to 1. Because 1 is positive, x square is positive. So why? Clear? You don't write r plus, okay? Because why not writing r plus? The values in between 0 to 1 not include, but those are real numbers. That's why, okay? Don't write this r plus, okay? Yeah, 8th question you see. Let A and B sets, let A and B sets show that f from A cross B to B cross A such that f of A comma B equal to B comma A is bijective function. Is bijective function. Is bijective function. Is bijective function. Okay. Is bijective function. A and B sets show that f from A cross B to B cross A. Given sets A and B and function f from A cross B to B cross A defined by f of A comma B equal to B comma A. So please observe here, what is the domain here? A cross B. A cross B means Cartesian product. So what are the elements in Cartesian product? Set of all ordered pairs. Set of all ordered pairs. B cross A also what? Cartesian product. It is also containing all the ordered pairs. Okay, that's why f of x, here x is nothing but it's a element here, ordered pair. We are getting b comma a, okay. For 1 1, very easy. Let what will take here elements, you are taking x1 comma x2. Here domain is what? Cartesian product, right? Cartesian product means the elements are ordered pairs. That's why you can take like this, a1 comma b1, or you take x1 comma y1, whatever. a2 comma b2 belongs to A cross B. You know what is here? A cross B is nothing but domain, right? We have taken two elements, a1 b1, a2 b2 in A cross B, such that how f of a1 comma b1 is equal to f of a2 comma b2. It's like f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Here please observe cross A cross B, cross product, the cross product containing set of all ordered pairs, containing ordered pairs, elements are ordered pairs. So that's why two elements I taken, as ordered pairs in A cross B. Clear? Yeah. And I assumed that those images are same. That implies, please observe here, how they define the function f of a comma b, we are getting b comma a. Its image as b comma a. That means reverse. First element to second element reverse. Like that, remember. Now f of a1 comma b1 means what we will get? b1 comma a1. b1 comma a1. F of a2 comma b2 means what we will get? b2 comma a2. b1 comma a1, b2 comma a2. Therefore, b1 equal to b2. We know that when two order pairs are equal, first element, second element are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. So please observe how they define AB, BA, A1, B1, B1, A1, A2, B2, B2, A2, AB, BA, A2, B2, B2, A2. According to defined, we should take. Clear? How they defined f of a comma b as b comma a. F of a comma b as b comma a. Clear? Yes. And a1 equal to a2. b1 equal to b2 and a1 equal to a2. That means what? That means what is the a1 comma b1? Therefore, a1 is nothing but a2. b1 is nothing but b2. That is, a1 is nothing but a2. b1 is nothing but b2. So we started here like that. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. We got x1 equal to x2. a1 b1 is equal to a2 b2. Hence f is 1 1. Don't confuse. You may feel little bit confused. Don't confuse like that. Because how they define the function, you please observe that point. You please understand there. How they define function f of a comma b, you should take as b comma a. Okay. First element comma second element. How they take second element comma first element. Okay. a1 comma b1 is equal to a2 comma b2. So therefore f is what? 1 1. Therefore f is what? 1 1. Clear? Is equal to f of a2 comma b2. Clear? Don't confuse b1. So we got b1 equal to b2, a1 equal to a2. Therefore a1 comma b1 is equal to a2 comma b2. Okay. So it's like our x1. It's like our x2. F of x1. We started f of x2. Finally we got x1 is equal to x2. Therefore it is what? 1 1. Okay. Now for on to observe. For on to. Let. Where we have to start? In codomain we have to stay, right? In codomain. Codomain, which set is first? B is first. That's why I told you, when you are writing the Cartesian product, all the first element should be belongs to first set of Cartesian product. All the second element should be belongs to second set of the Cartesian product, right? So let I am taking b comma a belongs to b cross a because it's a codomain. Okay, there exist a comma b belongs to a cross b, where in domain such that f of a comma b equal to b comma a. F of a comma b equal to b comma a. See, according to given defined function, f of a comma b equal to b comma a. We have taken one element in codomain, right? There exists a one element in domain. How it is? F of a comma b equal to b comma a. That implies, according to define, f of a comma b is nothing but b comma a is equal to b comma a, right? So therefore f is what now? On to. Hence f is both 1 1 and on 2. F is both 1 1 and on 2. So that is F is what? Bijective. So hence F is what? Bijective. Okay. So F is 1 1 we proved, and on 2 also we proved. So F is both 1 1 and on 2. Hence F is what? Bijective. We got same no. F of a comma b equal to b comma a. According to given define the function f of a comma b, you should take it as b comma a. So b comma a equal to b comma a. So b equal to b, a equal to a. No. So that's why f is what? On 2. So what happened? For every element in the codomain, there exists a pre-image in domain. So hence f is what? On 2. Hence f is what? Bijective. Okay. So this function is what now? Bijective function. This function is what now? Bijective function. Okay. See the next question. That f from n to n be defined by, let f from n to n be defined by f of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, and n by 2 if n is an even. If n is an even, for all n belongs to n, state whether the function f is bijective or not. Justify your answer. Okay. Once again, let f from n to n be defined by f of n equal to what? N plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. For all n belongs to n, state whether the function f is bijective. Justify your answer. Okay. Given f from n to n be defined by like this. Okay, very easy. Okay, n to n. What we are getting? Natural numbers to natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay? Yes. First, for n equal to 1, if n equal to 1, for n equal to 1, which case? Whether odd case or even case? Odd case. According to odd case, f of n is what you are taken. How they defined? N plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 means 2 by 2 means 1. So f of 1 is what? 1. What is the image of 1? Is 1. Clear this point? Okay, no? Now, if n is 2 means even case. Which case? Even case. Second case. How they define? N by 2. F of 2 is 2 by 2 is what? 1. So f of 2 also what? Very good. F of 2 also what? 1. F of 2 also what? 1. F of 1 also 1. F of 2 also 1. Now we can say two different elements are having same image. Two different elements are having same image. So it is not 1 1. So it is not 1 1. Clear? Yes. On to check mark. What about f of n equal to 3? For f of 3, what will get? 3 plus 1 by, sorry. Yeah, first case. 3 plus 1 by 2. What will you get? 4 by 2. What will you get? 2. Okay, for 3 what? 2. Correct? For 3 what? 2. For 4, even case. Even case means n by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. Correct? For 5, again odd case. 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2. Again 3. Correct or not? For 6 again. Okay, na? Correct? Correct or not? Means what you are observing? All the elements of codomain is used up or not? Yes. That means what? Range set is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Range is nothing, here is nothing but codomain. So range is equal to codomain. So it is what? Onto. But it is not 1, 1. Anyway, it is not 1, 1 but onto. Anyway, we want to check for bijective. Therefore, it is not bijective. Okay? Clear? From Venn diagram. Once again, according to given define, if n equal to 1, it's an odd case. That means first case. 1 plus 1 by 2 is what? 2 by 2 is 1. N equal to 2 is second case because n is what? 2. Even. Even is nothing but 2 by 2, right? 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. Okay. Next n equal to 3. 3 is nothing but again odd case. First case. 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay. 3 plus 1 by 2. 4 by 2 is what? 2. If you take an n equal to 4, second case. Again 4 by 2 you get 2. So 3, 4 having same image 2. 1, 2 having same image 1. 4, 5, 6 having image 3. That means two different elements are having same image. So F is not 1, 1. It's clear. But what about onto? 1 is the pre-image of some element. 1 having pre-images. 2 also having pre-image. 3 also having pre-image. 4 also having pre-images. What are those? 6, 7 and 8. 5 also you are having. 10 also having. How much you will get? 10 means for 10. What will you get? 20 by 2. 10 and 19. Correct or not? Like that, every natural number is having pre-image. That means every element of the codomain having pre-image in domain. So F is onto but not 1, 1. Hence F is not bijective. Okay. One is enough, right? One case is enough. Okay. Since solution I since here we will write no. What to write? For 1, 1. 1, 1. Since if n equal to 1, 1, n equal to okay. But 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore F is not 1, 1. Therefore F is not 1, 1. Two different elements are having same image. So that's why it is not 1, 1. Giving one example. You take any example. You take f of 3, 2. F of 4 also 2, right? Like that. For onto. But if you want for proof purpose, for onto nulli, two cases will be arranged. Because here even is there, odd is there. Case 1, if what will take n equal to, I take 2x plus 1 for some x belongs to n because it's odd number, right? First case 1, no, odd, okay? That means what will get? Otherwise, what is f of 4x plus 1 you take? 4x plus 1 by 2. 4x plus 2 by 2. That is nothing but 2x plus 1. That means for every odd number in codomain, there exists 4x plus 1 in domain. Okay. So what will write? for every n equal to 2x plus 1 for belongs to n, which n? Codomain. There exists four x plus 1 in n. Okay, na? Or you can direct also. Okay, take it. Okay, such that f of 4x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. Here if you want to write domain, okay. Therefore f is onto. So in odd case it is onto. Okay. Competitive exams observe no. Every natural number getting as images. Okay, and every natural number of codomain having pre-images. Competitive exam this is enough. Only this is enough. Okay. Onto. Next, case 2. Observe all of you. I took this. See here. N equal to explain where codomainally. We are getting the image in domainally. Therefore, f is onto. Suppose n we are taking 2x. Case 2 is what for even. N equal to 2x. N equal to 2x. Okay. F of how much we will get for 2x? 4x will get, right? Yeah. Since what is the f of 4x we get? 4x by 2 because it's case, even case. Okay, so that is equal to 2x. Okay, for every n equal to 2x, okay, same steps, belongs to n in codomain, there exists 4x belongs to n in domain such that f of 4x is equal to 2x. So therefore f is onto. Okay, for every element in codomain, please observe codomain. Which case this is? Second case. Second case means nothing but even case. For every element in codomain, please observe. Okay, we are having the pre-image. Okay, in domain. How it is? 4x. Okay, so therefore f is onto. Every element of the domain having pre-image in domain. Okay, every element of the codomain having the pre-image in domain. So it is onto. Or you can say your codomain is also n, range set is also n. That is also we can say f is what? Onto. F is what? Onto. Okay. So both in both the cases, even case and odd cases, f is onto. But f is what here? Not 1 1. Hence you write f is not 1 1 and but onto. Hence f is not bisective. F is not bisective because they asked for what? You should check whether it is bisective or not. That's why it is not bisective. Okay, it is only 1 1. It is only onto but not 1 1. Okay, yes. Okay, you keep on practice. Okay, practice, no problem.
Continue this call.
Oh. Thank you.